Hi guys, welcome to yet another amazing video in which we are going to test our funnel and make sure that everything works from the squeeze page, the thank you page, all the way to the first welcome email. Now this is what we are going to do in this video. Now at this point, and I do understand that you already have yourself, a squeeze page, a thank you page. You already have gone through the follow-up sequence, automation and setting it all up, and you already have everything set up. Now it's time to test, and this is what we are going to be doing in this video. Now in our last videos, obviously we went through the campaigns whereby we went about setting up everything. Then we also went into we created our landing pages, whereby we created our squeeze page and our thank you page. Now today we are testing everything to make sure that everything works. So let's start with the squeeze page. We are going to ascertain that the campaigns we did set up actually will work. So this is very crucial. You always need to make sure that you test everything before you send traffic, so that there are no hiccups in the entire process. So what we are expecting is that once I enter that email over here and I click on the submit button, that immediately we are going to land on the thank you page, and immediately we are going to receive that welcome email that we created in our campaigns, because that is going to fire up that campaign. Because remember that the goal was, that campaign was to get automatically fired up with every successful lead that comes in through the squeeze page. On subscribe, that campaign should already be fired or get fired, and it begins. So to do this, let's just start. Okay, we submit. Next we are supposed to go on the thank you page. If we don't get the thank you page, we've done something wrong. If we get to the thank you page, something has gone right. Okay, as you can see over here, we're already on the thank you page. So from the thank you page, we're also supposed to be able to go to the offer. As you can see, thanks for signing up, what not. But before you go, here's something else you might also like, and then once I click over here, we are supposed to go directly to the affiliate offer to make sure that everything works properly. Let's see. Sorry about this, the internet has been acting up a little bit today, not being consistent and all. But as you can see over here, it did pick up the affiliate link, and it's currently redirecting us to the sales page. But we are going to get through. There we go. We are finally on the main product that we were promoting, sales page. So as you see, the process has worked. From the squeeze page we've gone to the thank you page. From the thank you page we've gone directly to the affiliate offer. So now let's see whether we've gotten that. And remember, if you don't have that sequence yet, something that works, as I told you in previous videos, you can come and get yourself the recurring income kit. It features 30 done for you emails that you can just load up into your Aweber account, and they are going to be sent to your leads, and you are going to make money. Now this kit works, and I'm going to leave a link to it below so that you can come and get your copy, apply exactly what you'll be telling you, and you are going to see money, because this is the entire process that we are doing. Now over here we are going to check whether we got our welcome email. If there's no welcome email over here, then something definitely went wrong. So let's refresh and see if we got. As you can see over here, it just came in, from Dan Siva, welcome aboard. As you can see, it worked, everything went well, and the message just came in through. So remember that this is happening this way because we did test this out on the same email account, but then as you can see over here, it does register that 2 came in. So that means that one just was sent 4 minutes ago, it came in. So as you can see, that funnel works. We've gone through all the steps, it works, and this is what you can expect once you load the 30-day email emails from the recurring income kit. The reason why I'm asking you to get this kit is because I've made money with it, and plus you are going to save yourself the headache of having to create 30 well-crafted emails yourself more. So if this is the first time you are doing this, anyway, as you can see, everything works properly and well. That our campaigns have been fired out correctly. Everything works from the squeeze page, thank you page. There is nothing that has gone off, and this is what you can expect when you are working with setting up your own funnel. You test out everything, make sure that everything works, and once you've tested it out, you can go into your email list, to your list, and you can take out that is from your subscribers. You can come into the subscribers options. This is where you will be able to sort out your subscribers, remove those, to clean your list basically, and to manage it. Those subscribers that are not opening your emails, you are going to have to remove them. Those that are opening your emails, clicking on links, those you are going to give them fresh tags and all this, so that you have your list set up properly. Who are your people who are giving you, or rather bringing you business, so that you can even treat them a little bit better. So as you can see here, our welcome email was sent, as you can see, sent to 1 subscriber from the stats. It was opened, but we did not click on anything, so that's why there are no any clicks registered over here. But then as you can see, that process works. Everything came in through, and it came in through nicely. So let's see that subscriber over here so that we can wrap up this video, so that I can tell you some other things over here. If you already have a list, you can import it from here, or add even subscribers manually. But it's good to to have everything set up properly, and feeding it properly, so that all this campaign gets fired up and everything. But once you import, it's going to get fired up, and they are going to start getting your email sequence as you've set them. Anyway, as we are waiting for the internet to pick up on that one, like I told you also in other videos, also it will do you so much good and for your business, affiliate marketing business, if you are to consider getting also secret email system. Now this is a book from Matt Bakak that goes through so much about what he has been able to do to ensure that with the same process that we've been setting up, he has used it exactly that way to make millions online every single year. So there's so much that he knows about this building a list, mailing the list, and making money from one's own list, that you get paid as you are learning. As you can see over here, it's just simple: build a list, mail that list, and then you get paid. So much has been cut out, because the traditional way, there were so many things that you had to take into account for you to get paid. But over here the process is very simple. Matt Bakak, by the way, is a professional at this. He makes millions every year, that is, from his business, and it's all done this way. And as you can see, the price is only under $6, so it's nothing. But then all that you'll be getting, there's so much. Look at all those bonuses and all that. You're even going to get his own swap file that you can also edit out and feed it in your autoresponder, and you can use it to make money with it also. So as you can see, these are some of the results that he has been getting from the same thing, just sending emails. This is what you can expect if you apply this method properly. You are going to start seeing results, and these results will only be driven this way, passively. So you can actually be earning passively simply by just doing this. Like I told you, even in the other way, even the other product, like I was telling you, even with that one, you are going to also make money, passively also. So basically, this is all that there is, to setting up a funnel with Aweber, everything. If there's anything that you haven't learned, go back, rewatch all the videos, get acquainted with everything, practice. There's only one way to master this thing, and it's through practice. So come in, practice, make mistakes, practice, learn, try everything until you get familiar with Aweber, you get familiar with the process, so that you can start putting your own little spin on things, and that's how you're going to grow. So as you can see over here, we did go through, we did sign up, and as you can see, we were subscribed immediately. We did not have to confirm. Remember, I told you that when you use Aweber's landing pages, your subscribers won't have to confirm that they have to be to be on your list for them to be added to your list. That means that you'll be essentially bypassing that limitation on the free account. So either way, that is it for this video. I hope you found value out of it. Despite the internet challenges, at least we've gotten through, and you've gotten to learn everything. So over here, just to conclude, over here you can see an engaged, subscribers, low subscribers, moderate engagement. You can just simply come over here, and start, removing some, subscribers who aren't, bringing you any business, because as you can see, low engagement, when you go to this option, you are going to get some other filters that are going to help you customize, so that you can know in what way you are going to be sorting out your list. Do you want to remove emails or rather email subscribers that they have not opened since 30 days ago, since they came in and all that, 90 days have gone by, you are not seeing anything from them. You can just simply, they are going to be listed over here, and they're just going to go in and delete all of them, because anyway, they are not engaging, they are not opening your emails, they are not reading them. There's no point of having them on your list. So basically, this is it for this video. If you found value out of it, as I said earlier, make sure that you subscribe for more awesome videos to come, and then hit that thumbs up button. And as always, happy earning, and God bless you.